Alright, so I'm not called a big dummy for no reason. Got the Ignite R3001D hooked up here at 0.5 ohm, dynamic burst. But let's see, does it go into protect? Does it blow up? Does it live up to its name? Or does it put out big power? One or three things will happen, friends. Let's see what it does.
Yeah, you know it's true. You big dummy.
My name is Derek and I do YouTube videos about audio equipment. Videos about audio. I know it doesn't make sense, but if you guys enjoy that type of stuff, you might enjoy subscribing to my channel and I'd appreciate it. So stick around for the cool content and don't be surprised if you see a big dummy. So in the last video, we tested out these $100 amplifiers to see how well they performed. Everybody loves cheap amps. Everybody loves amp dyno drag races. In this case, the Ignite R3000/1D and the Boss AR4000. The Ignite came up a little bit bigger with the certified test and provided a slap to the Boss. What we decided to do is do some more dynamic tests of these amplifiers, find out which one is the king daddy. Again, these are just for fun. These are 40 hertz pulse tracks. We're going to see if these amps can handle down to 0.5 ohm. What do you think? Stay tuned. Let's find out. All right, ladies and gents, we've got the Ignite R3001 or 6K as they call it. We're going to try dynamic at 0.8. See if we can get anything. 40 hertz dynamic burst. Oh yes, 1481 watts, 14.35 volts. Boss, have you got that much in you? All right, now we have the Boss AR4000D wired up at 0.8 dynamic. Let's see if we get it. See if it beats the Ignite or not. What do you think? Here we go, 40 hertz. All right, so the Boss got 1457 right at 14 volts, but it kept going in and out of protect. So I'm going to have to give the win to the Ignite. So now we know the Boss can't go any lower than 0.8, but we don't know that this one can't. What do you say, 0.6? Yeah. All right, the $100 Ignite R3001, or AKA the 6K, which is a max power output, which is a bunch of bull. We're going to try this one at 0.67 dynamically at 40 hertz. See what we get. Hold on to your hats. All right, 1524, 13.5 volts. It still didn't go into protect. She's still singing along. What you know about that, Boss? Who's the boss now? Alright, so I'm not called a big dummy for no reason. Got the Ignite R3001D hooked up here at 0.5 ohm, dynamic burst. And the voltage is not that high. I did just charge up the 14 volt batteries. But let's see. Does it go into protect? Does it blow up? Does it live up to its name? Or does it put out big power? One or three things will happen, friends. Let's see what it does. There you go, 2016 watts at 0.5 ohm at 14.87 volts. Still didn't go into protect. Beast mode $100 amp right here for the win. The Ignite R3001D put the Boss to shame. And they're both about $100. So, and it didn't live up to its name, which is a good thing. So, yes, sirree.
Thanks, Big D. This is Dick Riculous.
Got him! Got him!
Make sure you check out my new 12 Volt Talk podcast with Hi-Fi Vega. It's youtube.com/12vtalk, We're also on Apple Podcasts, Google Play, Spotify, and more. Check us out. We have some very interesting guests and some fun talks. Hope you guys enjoyed this update video. We got some more fun stuff coming. As always, thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking. Till next time, I'm out of here. Make sure you go back and check my videos. I've got over 500 videos here on YouTube, many of them car audio related. As always, thanks for watching my videos, for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing with your friends, share with your grandma, share with everybody. Big D Wiz signing out.